And then I just connect the dots like that. Oh, and then there's questions below it. So it says if 5, y is on the circle, find the coordinate y, or find the coordinates of y. So they're saying if 5 is the x, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then they're saying what would be the possible coordinates of y. So there would be a point, but also this would be a point. So this would be 1, 2, this y would be 0, so you could have y equal to 0, or, and I just moved the graph around on accident, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So y could also be 8. And this one says if x comma 4 is on the circle, find the coordinates of, this should say x. So if the y is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, what are the possible coordinates of x? Well, that could be that point or that point, and we'll just assume that it's on the point, or we'll round. So the x could be 1, or it could be 2, 3, 4, 5. So either 1 or 5. So there's always going to be like 2 different coordinates for each x or y value, which also means that circles are technically not functions, because functions, you're not allowed to do that. You also can't graph circles on your graphing calculator. You can do it on Desmos, it's just not your graphing calculator. Right, and then for this one, this is an interesting one. Graph the circle with a center -3, 4 and a radius of length 5. Okay, so not too hard. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a radius of 5. So I'm going to take my circle tool, put it here. No, I don't like that one. Whoa, what just happened? Let me try again. So here, and then out 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it says graph the line y, x minus 2y equals -6. So in order to graph a line, we need to get it in the slope intercept form. So let's do that first. So I'm actually going to add the 2y over here, and then add the 6 over here. So it's x plus 6 equals 2y. Then to solve for y, you would divide everything by 2. So this would make y equals, this would turn into 1/2 for the slope, 1/2 x, and then plus 6 over 2 is 3. So then I would plot the y-intercept at 3, 1, 2, 3, and then use the slope of 1/2, so up 1 over 2, and then down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, and you'll also notice that it's going to intersect the circle at 2 different points. Because the question we have is, what is the best description of a line in relation to a circle? So they're asking, is it a tangent, or is it a secant, or is it something else, a diameter specifically if it's a secant, and this would just be a secant line. So that's an interesting question. All right, so the other questions on here are not important. So that is the end of this lesson, and I hope you guys have a great day.